Our objective in this video is to do a brief review of factoring. Whenever you want to factor, you should look to see if you can find a greatest common factor. To find the greatest common factor here, we should look to see what number can we divide into each of these terms. And what is the largest number that we can divide into each of those terms? It looks like the largest number that we can divide into a 3, a 6, and a negative 12 is a 3. So I'm going to pull out a 3. Next, we look to see if any of the variables show up in every term. The a does show up in every term. What is the smallest power of the a? Well, this is an a to the 5th, an a to the 1st power, an a to the 3rd power. A to the 1st power is the smallest power of the a, so we can pull out an a to the 1st power. Does the b show up in every term? Yes, it does. And what is the smallest power of the b? B squared is the smallest power of the b's, so we can pull out a b squared. This is the greatest common factor of each of those terms. Let's see what is the other factor once we pull this one out. To do that, we have to write on the inside what needs to go here so that when we multiply this all together, we get this back again. Okay? What do we multiply times 3 to get a 3? That would be a 1. Of course, you don't need to write the 1. What do we multiply times the a to get an a to the 5th? Well, that is an a to the 4th, because you know that we add the exponents. A times a to the 4th is a to the 5th. And what do we need to multiply times the b squared to get a b squared? A 1, which does not need to be written. Plus 3 times 2 gives me the 6. A times a 1 will give me the a. B squared times b gives me a b cubed. We bring down the minus sign. What needs to go here so that 3 times this will give me this 12? Well, that would be a 4. What needs to go here so that a times this will give me an a cubed? Well, that would be an a squared, because remember, we add the exponents. And what needs to go here so that b squared times this will give me a b to the 4th? That would have to be a b squared. We can close this parentheses, and here we have factored this into this. This is the final answer if what we want to do is factor this expression.